In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to begin writing a rap verse using 6 different techniques. And to get started, it's important to note that if your rap verse is going to be a part of a full song, then there's 3 things that I recommend that you do first before you write your rap verse. That's to brainstorm, storyboard, and then write your hook. Now, I've already done a really dope video called How to Begin Writing Rap Songs, which explains why I approach songwriting this way, and it also gives you a walkthrough of the brainstorm and storyboarding process. And I've also done another really awesome video on 3 easy ways for you to write dope rap hooks. In each of the 6 techniques that I'm about to share with you, I'm also going to provide you links to real, professionally released songs that use these, and it's going to have the timestamp embedded into the link, so it'll take you directly to that place within that song. And the instrumental that I'm going to be using today is a beat that I produced called Fairy Tales. If you like this instrumental, I'll post a link to it and everything else that I just mentioned in the video's description below. Now, the first technique that I'd like to share with you to begin writing a rap verse is by simply asking a question. And here's 3 different examples of some lyrics I wrote to demonstrate this. Let's check it out. What rapper do you know whose skills as fresh as mine? Peeled right off the vine, Ziploc sealed with precious lines. What's the point of falling in love with someone who already fell? Should you tell them if the heart's already with someone else? Why's the media trying to pin us against one another? A house divided can't stand, y'all my sisters and brothers. And a song that uses this technique is I'm Shady by Eminem. Another effective technique to beginning a rap verse is by making a claim or a statement that you can then expound upon further in the rap verse. This could be your opinion about something, or your favorite or least favorite thing about something, or you could just be expressing something personal that you've gone through. Here's 3 examples that I wrote for that. Y'all can hate all you want, but I'm never stopping my grind. I don't do this for you, homie, I do this for mine. Only a weak-minded person's jealous of another's success, cause they view all the wins through the lens of regret. I love the fact that over half of my competition, they can't even rap. They don't know snares from hi-hats, and that ain't even cap. And one song that uses this technique is Slippin' by DMX. Another technique to beginning a rap verse is to express how you feel about something. This could be you being tired, anxious, upset, confused, etc. Here's 3 examples of that. I feel my heart's been ripped out my chest and stomped into the dirt and trampled upon by elephants, the extent of my hurt. I'm tired of working these dead-end jobs for minimum wage. I'm enraged and wanna punch my boss in the nuts like Johnny Cage. I'm so high off of joy that I'm afraid to come down, cause I may never reach this altitude again in the clouds. And a song that uses this technique is Rock Bottom by Eminem. Another really cool technique to use to begin writing a rap verse is to establish the time, the location, or the year of the place that you're going to be talking about in your song. And this works particularly well for storytelling type songs. Let's check out 3 examples of that. It was 96 in the backwoods of Georgia. Newport's in my pocket, bottle rockets off the porch. It's 12 o'clock at night, it's very scary. Riding with a girl named Mary, it's very Jerry Springer, trust me, you'll tell me. I lace my boots up in the morning before I go to work, just to earn some crumbs from my dumb boss who's just a jerk. And a song that uses this technique is Regulate by Warren G featuring Nate Dogg. And another great technique that you can use to start your rap verses is by beginning to tell the listener about some type of situation that you or someone else has found themselves in. Here's 3 examples of that. I'm so broke that I can't even pay attention, plus the repo man is threatening to come pay me a visit. This is the first time I love the girl with my all. I just hope it's mutual that she catches me if I fall. My parents said they're kicking me out if I don't get me a job. They only gave me 2 weeks for me to beat all the odds. And a song that uses this is called How's It Going Down by DMX featuring Faith Evans. And the 6th way that you can begin writing your rap verses is to start a conversation with a person, place, or thing. And you don't have to immediately call the person or object out by their name or title at first. And the conversation doesn't have to go back and forth. It can be one way of just you speaking to someone or something else. And here's 3 examples of that. And pay attention to the first example, because this is a good one. It could be about a person or a thing. Like it could be about drugs, or it could be about a gym membership or something, anything that you wasted your money on. You don't have a clue to all that you put me through. All the time and the money I spent is wasted on you. Hey mom, I'm sorry for all the stress that I caused you. All the times I kept you waiting up and never called you. It seems like yesterday when we was both on the phone talking about hanging out. I can't believe that you gone. And a song that uses this technique is called I Miss You by DMX, also featuring Faith Evans. And I'm curious to know, out of all the 6 techniques that I shared with you today, is there one that I shared with you that you've never used before? If so, which one? And also, is there a technique that you like to use to start your rap verses that I didn't cover in today's video? If so, please share it with the community in the comments section below. My name is Cole Mize with ColeMizeStudios.com, where I strive to make you a better rapper now. And if you're trying to perfect your rap skills, make sure that you get yourself a free copy of my ebook, The #1 Fundamental to Rapping. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe for more straight to the point, no BS, how to rap video tutorials just like this one. And always remember, when it comes to rapping, there's no rules, there's only techniques. Peace. Hey man, you see that subscribe button right there? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Oh, and don't forget the bell icon. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Hey, I know you see that like button, right? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. And look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself, today I'm gonna kill it, kill it.